Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. Today we will be looking at best forex trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay guys, we are going to be checking out how to approach the trend trading strategy for these assets. Okay, remember I've always been telling you that boom and crash are trend trading assets. Okay, so once you understand the aspect of the trend, then you will be able to trade them successfully. So we'll be looking at different approach towards it so that you will so that you will be able to identify the right trend to go into it. Okay, so but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, in case you have any question, can you drop your question in the comment section? I'll always be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we will be checking out best forex trend trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, that is what we are checking out in this video. Okay, before we go fully into it, like I always tell you, there are three major things that are very important. Your trend is one of it, and it is very important. If you are not sure of the trend, do not go into the trade. Okay, you need to be sure of it first. Okay, once you are sure of it, and of course you will be able to go into the trade, then your support and resistance level will also help you to know your entry point and your exit point. And these are the things that we'll be focusing on. Your lot size can come back late, can come in later. Okay, but the first two trading elements are very important. Okay, which we will be focusing more on. Okay, we will be focusing on this two trading elements. Okay, so now let's go straight into the charts right away. Okay, we'll be checking out boom 1000, and this is boom 1000, and of course you can see the chart is on 24 hours time frame, and of course you can see that it has been going for a very long time. Okay, how you can actually trade this asset easily without any hiccups. Check out this. Okay, around here you can get your support because it is at the resistance zone already. You can create your support region around here and see if it's going to break out from there. So once there is a breakout, then you should know that it will sell more. You can see, you can imagine, this is 24 hours time frame. You selling right from here to here. It's a big it's a huge stuff. Okay, and let's say you missed out on that. Okay, you can even come down here. Okay, here is another support region. Okay, if it breaks out below it, good. If it does not, then definitely it's going to buy from there. Okay, you can see that it broke out below it, and of course it sold for a very long time. You can see you selling from here to here. Is an amazing opportunity for us. Okay, and right here is another support region. Okay, from this support region it started buying. Okay, so you can see it buying up till it got to this region. Okay, so that is one amazing thing about this. Okay, so there are so many opportunities like this, like that. Okay, so here is another one. If it's let me pick up these guys so that we will reduce. You can see it right here. Here is a support region. When it got to this side it bought, when it came down there again it bought. Okay, so but this time around it broke out from there, and of course you can see it sold right from here. After the breakout, you just come in after the closing of the candle and the creation of a new candle, and of course you come in and sell. You can see you can sell till this support region, because here is a support region. Okay, because we don't know if it's going to break out below it, or it's going to keep on selling. But you can see it kept on selling, okay, so till it got to this particular support region. Okay, so that is how to go about it. Now I know you guys might find this confusing. Of course, I will be creating more video content on this so that you will understand how to go about it. Personally, 24 hours might be too much for you to analyze your market. If you want to be doing your daily trading, you can go down to 4 hours or even 1 hour, but let me start with 4 hours. Probably in my next video we will be looking at 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is 4 hours, and of course I will be adding an indicator that will help us to highlight some of these area, and of course just follow the instructions and you will be able to get it right. So the first thing you need to do is just to click on indicators at the top right there, and you search for pivots. Okay, pivot, this is it. So you click on it, and of course it will be added to the chart right from there. You can see it has been added to the chart right from there. Okay guys, but you can see the chart is so busy, and we might not really understand it very well if we don't know how to go about it. Okay, so I'm going to double click on it and do some settings right there. So I'm going to uncheck most of the pivot line that are drawn for the resistance and supports. Okay, I'm going to uncheck them one after the other, and even the labels. Okay, so I'll only leave the P. I'm going to leave out the P so that the P can be showing on the chart. That's the only one I want on the chart. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to black color so that we can see it very well. Okay, so, and I'm going to thicken the line a bit, okay, so that we can really see it very well. Okay, so and that is all we need. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay, this pivot will help us to highlight some major areas for the support and resistance zone. You know, if a support is broken down below it, it will turn into resistance. You need to understand that. For instance, let me see this. Let me see. Okay, here can be a support zone. Okay, but it has been broken down below, so it will turn back into a resistance when the market is coming up. Okay, so that is very, very important. And the same thing is a resistance turning into a support. For instance, this can be a resistance around here, but when broken up this time around, it's changed into a support zone. You can see it right from there. So that is very, very important. Now let's see how we can use this to milk the market successfully. Okay guys, you can see around here is a resistance zone. Okay, here is a resistance zone. Okay, let me start from here. We got a resistance zone around here, and of course the market sold around there till it got to here is a support zone. You can see it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, and of course it went back on uptrend right from there. Okay, but it couldn't break out from this resistance zone, and right from there you can see it has been beaten in between these regions. So this time around, right there it forms head and shoulder. You can see head, shoulder, head. Okay, right from there it started a downtrend. Right from there you can see it selling and selling, broke out from this support zone. Here is a support zone, broke out from there, and it kept on selling and selling and selling. Okay, you can see that this can help you to milk the market for a very long time. You can imagine you selling between here and here. Okay guys, that's a lot. Guys, that's a lot. Okay, it is a lot of profit for us. Okay, right here. Okay, if we should let's use this short. Okay, if we should use this, you will notice that that's a lot for us. Okay, let's say we are putting our take profit to somewhere, stop loss to somewhere here, and you can imagine guys, this is a lot of profit for us. Okay, a lot of profit for us. Even if we decide to come in around here, let's say we decide to come in after the breakout from this support zone, okay, and we put our stop loss somewhere here, it's still a lot of profit for us, guys. It's still a lot of profit for us. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So you can see, you can imagine, guys, right from here it started selling and selling and selling till it got to this region. Okay, also broke out from this particular support zone. Okay, so that is one beauty about the pivot. The pivot will help you to identify some specific areas which we can use as support and resistance zone, and of course right from there we can always see the breakout from there and see if there won't be a breakout also, so that we can know if we should sell or we should buy. Okay, so right from here you can see it's trying to break out above this resistance zone, but it was unable to break out from there, so it came on downtrend and broke out from this support zone and also broke out from this support zone. But if I were you, if I notice that it's selling around there, I would have put my TP around there, and once it breaks out below it, I will come in again and put another TP around here, and once I notice that it breaks out around there, then I will come in again and sell, keep on selling till I get to this region. Okay, so of course, guys, right from here it started buying, because here, right here, we've got a support zone around here. Okay, so it started buying around here. You can see it kept on buying until it got to this region. Okay, here should be a resistance zone, but it's broke out from there above there. So once it breaks out above there, then definitely here is another, we've got another resistance zone around here. You know, it was a support zone before, but it has turned into a resistance zone after it had been broken out. So definitely, since this is coming up, so it will act as our resistance zone, but it broke out above it. But right here, if you should check it out, there is another resistance zone around here, so definitely it obeyed that, and of course it started selling again. Okay, as it was selling, broke out from this support zone and also add another support zone. You can see this to this, it had another support zone around here, and it was unable to break out from there, so it has been playing around here for a while, even though there is a resistance zone around here. So in case it buys, definitely we need to consider this resistance zone, and if it breaks out above it, then definitely here is also another resistance zone, and if it breaks out above these two, then it's coming to this region, and if not this particular region. So you can use the pivot to highlight some specific area in order for you to make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. We can also see right from here, we got a buy order from this region, and once it broke out from this support zone, you can see it buying and buying till it got to this region. Okay, here is another sell order. Okay, it broke out below this, and of course it kept on selling and selling and selling till it got to this region. So that is why how you can use pivot to trade your trend right from here. You're going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, you can see it right from here, it started selling, right from here it started selling, right from here it started selling. Okay, and right here it's around the support zone, and of course right from here it started buying after the breakout. Okay, so that is how you can use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, I'm going to shed more light on these in more videos which I will be creating on this channel, so that you guys will understand how to go about it. But if you guys are looking for a custom way of checking out the trend, then definitely I'll recommend this particular one for you guys. Okay, so you can see this right here. You can see when the market was on uptrend, and right here when it was on downtrend. So if you follow the pattern, you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself at the end of the day. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.